Start shaping with the rasp using the coarse teeth first, then the fine teeth. Shape against the grain. Don't press too hard because you can dent the wood. For tight spots, use the fine edge of the rasp. After the shaping is done, sand in the direction of the grain with the medium pine car sanding pad to remove the rasp marks. Then use the fine sanding pad until completely smooth. Pits, dents, or scratches on your car can be repaired by applying pine car body putty, letting it dry, and resanding with the fine sanding pad. For an all-over smoothing compound, spread body putty on the entire car. Wet fingers with water and smooth the putty onto the car. Allow putty to dry thoroughly and sand with the fine sanding pad. Feel the smooth finish.